Perp USDT Overview. Trading style, spot. Time frame, mid-term. Margin mode, isolated. Signal type, swing trade. Target time frame, about a month between take profits. Entry levels, 0.868 to 1.085. Take profit targets. Target 1, 2.150. Target 2, 2.496. Target 3, 2.783. Target 4, 3.116. Target 5, 3.567. Stop loss, 0.508. The secret to success in trading financial markets. Look carefully. Don't rush. Trade with simple lines, trend lines, price channels, support, and resistance. Important recommendation. After reaching each take profit target, move your stop loss to your entry price or the last take profit price to protect profits and limit losses if the market changes direction. Enter after a pullback for better entry. Disclaimer. This analysis is for educational purposes only and should not be considered investment advice. Please do your own research and use proper risk management before trading. We wish you successful trading.